This might be the easiest way to make broccoli actually exciting. Crispy bacon, melted mozzarella, and just one pot. Stick around, because this 15-minute bake is about to become your new favorite side dish. Let's start by slicing our broccoli into florets and cutting our bacon into small pieces. Nice and bite-sized, so every piece gets that crispy, cheesy finish later. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Once it's bubbling, blanch the broccoli for 3 minutes, with just a pinch of salt to season it from the inside out. Drain it well and set it aside. Now for the star of the show, in a pot, fry the bacon until it's crispy and golden. Once it's done, take it out and set it aside. We're saving that flavor for later. Using that same pot, don't waste that bacon fat. Fry the minced garlic for just 30 seconds until it's fragrant and golden. By the way, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're cooking up easy, delicious recipes like this every week, and you don't want to miss the next one. Add the blanched broccoli right into that garlicky bacon fat and saute for about 2 minutes, just enough to soak up all that flavor. Transfer the sautéed broccoli into a baking pan. Now top it generously with that crispy bacon and a really generous layer of mozzarella cheese, because more cheese is always the right answer. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, just until that cheese is fully melted and turning golden brown. And just like that, crispy, cheesy, smoky perfection. Serve it hot and enjoy. If you love this recipe, give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.